Storm Team Weather Lab, KAMC meteorologist Jacob Riley.
Well, good Tuesday morning. We had a weak cold front move through the area overnight last night. It kind of brought a little bit of wind with it and some cooler temperatures, but those cooler temperatures are on their way out of the door as we warm back up to the 80s, even 90s later on this week. In Brownfield this morning, you can see the flags flapping just a little bit in the wind right here as that front continues to push on off towards the south and east. And that's really not going to cool us down much today. Pretty similar conditions today as to what we saw across the region as we went through your Monday yesterday. But out there right now, we're sitting in the upper 40s and lower 50s. We'll continue to warm on up through the 50s into the 60s and 70s by your afternoon. And this evening, warming up into the upper 70s and lower 80s across the area for daytime highs. This week, though, we do have the chance to see a little bit of fire weather around the area. We're going to keep those gusty winds around as we head throughout your week. So avoid any outdoor burning. The best chance for the highest risk of the fire threat will be from Wednesday through Saturday. Blowing dust is also going to be possible because we're going to have wind gusts approaching 50 miles an hour later on this week. So again, travel could also be a little bit tricky for areas going north to south across the region, especially if you're in a higher profile vehicle. So just keep that in mind. Out there right now, those winds out of the west, northwest, around 15 to 25 miles an hour are the gusts. Sustained speeds around 8 to 12 miles an hour. But again, those should begin to subside as we go throughout the day today. Notice by tomorrow afternoon, though, wind gusts around 20 miles an hour, so not too bad for West Texas, right? But as we continue through time, notice on Thursday, wind gusts 30 to 40 miles an hour, getting a little bit more up there. But then Friday is when it really begins to peak around 50 miles an hour across portions of the region. So that combined with the low relative humidity values will help kind of aid that fire weather risk later on this week. For tomorrow, an elevated risk for the city of Lubbock and points west. But then as we head Wednesday, or rather Thursday through Friday into Saturday, more of a critical area begins to work its way into the area. Technically, Lubbock not in that just yet, but northwestern portions of Lubbock County are included in that critical risk. So as we take a look throughout the week this week, what you're going to notice, the jet stream does grow closer to us. And what happens as it does, these white lines are called isobars, and the closer those isobars get together, the stronger the wind speed. So that's the culprit behind our strong winds this week. But then as we head on into Monday, we're in the right exit region. That's the fancy word for what we call the jet stream. And all that means is that we could see a little bit of rain move back into the area as we start off your work week next week. Friday, we could have a few showers across the Permian Basin early in the morning, clearing out for Saturday. And then Sunday on into Monday, that's when we see another weak system move through, maybe bringing us some light showers on Monday into Tuesday. But overnight tonight, lows falling off into the middle lower 40s across the area, maybe more closer to 50 across the Permian Basin. Winds calming down overnight, picking back up for Wednesday through Friday. Record highs possible both Wednesday and Thursday with high temperatures upper 80s, lower 90s, and then a more seasonal temps return this weekend, 67 Saturday, 71 on Sunday. But again, clouds will increase Sunday, and we could have some more showers move into the area, Nicolette, Monday night into Tuesday of next week.
So great week to get on out there, hopefully be really nice for, a nice outside workout.
Yeah, a nice walk, at least 6 feet away from other people. Definitely practice those social distancing skills. But yeah, get out to the park. They're really recommending people, stay active, stay healthy, exercise in this. So definitely a great week to do that. Take advantage of it.
Yeah, getting some sun always has its benefits. Thanks, Jacob.